Delkor is a leading manufacturer of case packing and cartoning equipment. With a full lineup of intelligent packing technology and the expertise to engineer fully integrated packaging systems, Delkor is the preferred supplier for many leading manufacturers of a variety of products. Our Performance Series case packer handles a range of containers from cups, pouches, or cartons, all with quick toolless changeovers between each style. Patented intelligent synchronization technology infeeds align your product for ideal packing efficiency. The modular design of the Performance Case Packer makes it compact and economical, making it a great solution to a wide variety of applications. With an ability to form a variety of shipper styles, the Trifecta G Series former is the perfect match to many of Delkor's advanced robotic packaging systems. Featuring a drop-in template design, ensuring changeovers are a breeze, making certain your first case produced is a good case. Delkor's F-Series closers offer the perfect close to a Delkor case packing line. Able to achieve rates up to 60 cases per minute, this machine can handle the high speeds demanded by many manufacturers. A self-tensioning belt combined with oversized bearings and shafts allow for a longer lifespan with fewer replacements and maintenance. The Delkor Tray Shrink Wrapper is able to attach product and corrugate with a temporarily bonded adhesive before being shrink wrapped, creating a plethora of packaging options. The Trifecta J Series former can form a wide span of package sizes, including oversized industrial cases, while providing the same flexibility and ergonomics as other Trifecta formers. The J Series can obtain rates up to 20 cases per minute. Our turnkey palletizing systems offer a great way to tie your entire line together. All Delkor equipment is designed and manufactured in Minneapolis, Minnesota. With 350 plus employees and over 300,000 square feet of production space, we stand ready to provide fully tested packaging systems for your next project. Thank you for your time. We look forward to working with you.